Hey guys, I am the Naresh Kumar, the founder of Go Digital Plan. In this video I will give you top 7 strategy to boost your business on LinkedIn. Do you know LinkedIn has over 575 plus million users, with more than 260 million monthly active users, and 45 million on in decision-making position within the organization. That's why you need LinkedIn help you to grow your business. So let's start without wasting any time. The first tip is, optimize your profile. If your profile is not optimized as a professionally, there is less chance that your customer will find you. If they will find you, there is less chances convert your customer. Second tip is for you. Create a business page for your business. LinkedIn business page tell others more about your product and services that you offer. Before creating a LinkedIn page, you need have personal LinkedIn account and one verified email. Third tip is, create a pod. A pod is simply a group of individuals that supports and interact with each other on LinkedIn. Benefits of pod is, if one person share a post on LinkedIn, they invite the others in the pod to like, share and comments. This type of engagement pushes your content to more people and turn into viral on LinkedIn. Fourth tip is, find your target audience. On LinkedIn very easily you can find and send requests to your audience, whether it is small business owner or big company owner. But keep in mind before send request on LinkedIn, write a short note about your services and how can be you beneficial for them. Fifth tip for you, the first line in your LinkedIn description should be a short, one sentence. The moment people click see more, cause you have short sentences, LinkedIn cuts it off. You have click see more to read the rest. It works on gain engaging and more chance to viral your content. Sixth tip is, respond at every comment, answering it and of course asking another comment. Because it will encourage more and more comments, and that's one of the main factor in LinkedIn's algorithm. The final tip is, when you're recording your videos on LinkedIn, you should ask people to leave comments or review in comments section. When you do that, and they leave more comments, you will naturally go more viral on LinkedIn.